researched as far as color palettes are concerned, as far as the actors are concerned. You must get so excited every time you sit on a new project as well, right?
Actually, every film I try to attempt, the idea is to start from scratch. And as a filmmaker, I do feel challenged when I enter a new territory. And I try not to repeat myself as far as story and theme is concerned, so that when you get into a new film and a new idea, it's all very pure and you can pick up the purest part of it. And also it's very enriching, to jump into a new world and explore it, and without having any kind of style that I would bring from my earlier film into my next movie.
This looks very, very different.
जब आप फिल्म बनाते हैं तो बहुत मेहनत, बहुत शिद्दत से बनती है, और केदारनाथ ऐसी ही एक फिल्म है. ये फिल्म भोलेनाथ के आशीर्वाद से और भोलेनाथ के हाथों से ही बनी है, क्योंकि जिस कठिनाइयों से हम गुजरे हैं बनाते बनाते, और जिस तरीके से हर कठिनाई हमारे सामने नष्ट होती गई और हम आगे बढ़ते रहे, ये ऊपर वाले की ही देन है. 2013 में एक बहुत बड़ा डेविस्टेशन आया था उत्तराखंड में, जिसमें बहुत हज़ारों लोगों की जान गई. और ये हादसे के बाद जब मैंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा, और मैंने खुद भी काफ़ी यात्रा की है, वैष्णो देवी की हैं, और केदारनाथ की तो अभी काफ़ी बार कर चुका हूँ. मैंने वहाँ का जीवन देखा, वहाँ के लोग देखे, और वहाँ पर मैंने हमारा हिंदुस्तान देखा, और मुझे वहाँ पे ऐसी कहानियाँ नज़र आईं जो मुझे लगा कि हमारे देश को ज़रूर सुननी चाहिए. और मैं ऊपर वाले का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि मुझे चुना गया ये कहानी बोलने के लिए. और उस बाढ़ में इतने लोगों की जो जान गई, उनको वो लोग गुजरे होंगे, और जो लोगों के रिश्तेदार, जिनके घर वाले गुजरे होंगे, उन पे क्या बीती होगी, वो सोचकर जब मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था, उसके बारे में सोच रहा था, तो वो मेरे रूह कांप उठती थी ये सोच के कि वो क्या देखा होगा उन्होंने. और मुझे लगा कि इस देश को भी देखना चाहिए कि जब ऐसा कोई हादसा होता है तो लोगों पे क्या बीतती है, और अगर हम देखेंगे, हम समझेंगे लोगों के दर्द को, उनके कष्ट को, तो मेरा ये कंट्रीब्यूशन रह सकता है हमारी सोसाइटी के प्रति.
Firstly, I would like to say thank you to all of you for being just so warm and welcoming to me. I really have not done anything to deserve it. Hopefully now you'll think I have. And coming forward after you see the film, you'll think so, hopefully. But even then, without seeing any of my work, I think each and every one of you have been so absolutely warm and welcoming and just, polite and lovely with me. And whether it's the positive attention or whether it's, the lovely comments and, Viral's captions and Manav's, things, I just think that you guys have been so, so nice that even though I'm nervous to see how you guys feel about the film, I'm not that nervous to be around you guys because you all have always made me feel, welcome. So thank you very, very much.
Wait till they come for the screening. That's going to be a different cup of tea. But another lady also, since we're going to do this, and obviously it'll be gentlemanly, Pragya, you're now a producer on this kind of film. It looks expensive. It looks big. So a lot of things, when you're thinking of putting the cast together, thinking of being part of this kind of production, was it a daunting task? Little difficult to figure out that, itni badi picture mein karne wali hu. Did you feel that ever?
No, it definitely was a tough movie to make, and we have had an incredible journey. And I'm really grateful to everyone who has been a part of this film because they worked day in and out and supported us through good times and bad times. And I'm extremely grateful to you, Ronnie, for being a part of this journey and for teaching me so much. I've learned a lot from you. So yeah, it's been great.
Well, it looks great. Congratulations on the trailer. And congratulations, Ronnie, sir, because I know there's been a lot of people under your tutelage over the years. You've had a good relationship with Abhishek as well. One of the finest films, like I said, he's a complete batsman, bowler, everything, because of all the films that he's done as well as Sushant. But you also being part of this movie, it was always going to be a very big film. It was something that we knew had happened. As Abhishek had said some time back, he wanted to tell this story. The story had to be told right. The VFX had to be right. So you knew that a lot of things were going to happen. Was it like a no-brainer for you to just jump in? Or did you weigh the pros and cons before you decide?
No, I think the good part when you make really great movies is to do less thinking. And if you overthink, you don't make great movies. And I think part of it was also a lot to do with the fact that Gattu and I have worked before in Kai Puche, and we see the vision. And I think just generally the canvas for this was a story that we felt needed to be told. And I think the combination in which it's been told is just incredible.
It does look incredible. And my dear friend, you are an incredible performer. And I think one of the bravest actors in Bollywood. You've never been, and we've discussed this many times, you've never been on the same path. A lot of things are always said, sometimes things go right and wrong. But if I was ever an actor, I would want to choose your kind of path, to choose the kind of films. It really is very brave. And this is another brave attempt. बहुत बढ़िया, final outcome बहुत अच्छा आ गया. इतने time से मैं सुन रहा था केदारनाथ, अब finally जो देख ली है, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी. You happy to see the effect of the trailer and all the things that have gone in it?
The great thing is that मेरी भी थोड़ी भी objectivity बची हुई थी क्योंकि जब मैं acting करता हूँ तो मैं monitor नहीं देखता. तो अभी जब मैं पहली बार गट्टू सर ने मुझे दिखाया, तो I was incessantly very intrigued, knowing the story. So I hope what we have tried to do with our honesty and skills, you like what you see when you watch the film.
I already like what I see. I want to ask you one question about Sara. Complete natural. Khoon mein to hai hi, but phir bhi, was she ever hesitant ever? She doesn't look like it.
Before the shots, yes, but when I was acting with her, and as an actor, I have different markers, probably right or wrong, but one thing I can say is that we actors really, really like to get surprised in the shot. And let's just say that she kept me on my toes.
Well, we'll love to see that. And of course, the judge of that is Abhishek Kapoor. Did both of them keep you on your toes?
They're both extremely talented people. I mean, Sushant has had so much experience. And he's just, sharpened his skills over the years, and now he's really effortless. And at the same time, he's so into it and so well prepared. And Sara, I mean, this is her first movie. And I remember when Kanika, my writer, and me narrated it to her, she took to it. She took to it as a story. And what I really appreciate is that she wasn't really looking for a launch film. She heard the story and she wanted to be part of this movie. She wanted to contribute to this part. And she really took to the character. Now, that was all talk, when you meet someone. And when I did meet her in the office, she showed me, you have a gut feeling that she's got something, and just the way they talk and just the intensity of a conversation, you can gauge कि ये इंसान में क्या है देने के लिए as an actor. And you know, I work with a very good team. I mean, you're only as good as the people you work with. And I had Sushant on set, and you know, so when she came on board, you know, she's an extremely intelligent girl, extremely intelligent girl. So when she realized she's on board this crew, and these are the people she's going to work with. She just came in with that game, you know, and she just started to rally. And my favorite part about her is that I'm actually quite a crazy guy on set. Like I can just scream because I have a schedule and I have a budget and I have so much to pack in.
Budget for sure with this kind of film.
Yeah, you know, you know, so I can get really agitated and I want things done. And she just, like, even if I'm screaming, she just looks me in the face and says, okay, sir, can you explain it to me again? And I'll explain to her again. And even if I'm screaming, she'll just have a level tone there, you know. And as the kind of director I am, she's a perfect actor to work with. And I feel really privileged to have her in this movie and to have to introduce her in Kedarnath.
ISI mark already with your first film. Congratulations. Before I open out to all my friends in the media, I'm going to ask you, he said you evolved a lot since Kaipoche. How has Abhishek, inverted commas, Gattu Kapoor changed Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput since then?
See, one thing is common, his you know, want to try different things. And the great thing is that he's consistently, first of all, as an actor, again, the same thing. I am nudged in the right direction, but at the same time, he doesn't tell me what exactly to do. So it gives me room to improvisation, which I would look forward to. So thank you so much, sir. I mean, like, the first time was, as far as experience is concerned, I mean, like, the intensity of wanting to work with him again has only increased.
Fantastic. I'm going to open out to our friends in the media. First up, yes, the lady.
Hello.
One sec, where are the mics?
Hi,
Oh, they're already there. Okay.
hi, Sara, Sushant, बहुत बढ़िया ट्रेलर है.
Thank you.
मेरा नाम
On the right, Sarah, on the right over there, Alok.
हाय सारा, कुछ समय पहले हमने सैफ से पूछा था कि सारा कभी डेब्यू करेंगी नहीं करेंगी, तो उनका कहना था कि अभी वो पढ़ाई कर रही हैं, वो डेब्यू नहीं करेंगी. मैं 2 साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो जब आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट आया, आपने क्या जिक्र किया अमृता जी से और सारा जी से? सैफ साहब से.
जी पढ़ाई तो मैं
थोड़ा माइक ऊपर. हाँ,
सॉरी, पढ़ाई तो मैं 2-3 साल पहले कर रही थी. मेरे फादर का कहना था कि आपको अपनी पढ़ाई ख़त्म करनी चाहिए यहाँ आने से पहले. अगर उसके बाद आपको फिल्मों का हिस्सा बनना है तो आप बनिए. और वो मतलब टोटली मेरे साथ थे, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा था कि आप पढ़ाई करके आइए. और फिर जब केदारनाथ जैसी स्क्रिप्ट मुझे मिली और इस फिल्म का हिस्सा बनने का मतलब मौका मुझे मिला, तब दोनों मेरे माता पिता भी मतलब मेरा सपोर्ट कर रहे थे. लेकिन मुझे ये स्क्रिप्ट इतनी अच्छी लगी कि मैं किसी की नहीं सुनने वाली थी. उसके बाद मतलब दिल आ गया था. तो यही था.
नहीं, हम कहना चाहेंगे आपकी हिंदी बहुत प्यारी है, बहुत अच्छा हिंदी बोलती हैं आप.
और इसमें एक फैक्ट मैं जोड़ना चाहता हूँ, इनकी 3 साल की जो ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री थी, वो इन्होंने 2 साल में या 4 के 3 में इन्होंने कंप्लीट करी है. तो इन्होंने अपना काम जल्दी खत्म करके इधर आई है एक्टिंग करने.
अभिषेक, आप अभी कल मंदिर भी विजिट किए थे फिल्म के ट्रेलर से पहले, तो आप जरा उसके बारे में बताएं कि बाबुलनाथ टेम्पल आप गए हुए थे.
इस बार ट्रेलर रिलीज होना एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. और जिस रास्ते से मैं आ रहा हूँ और जिस संघर्षों से गुजरा हूँ, तो मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन है. और मैं कभी बाबुलनाथ मंदिर कभी गया नहीं था, बट बहुत अच्छा लगा. वहाँ पे शिव के दर्शन हुए और ऐसे लगा कि केदारनाथ की झलक तो नजर ही आ गई.
सुशांत, आप शिव के भक्त हैं?
जी, फिलहाल तो मैं अपनी हिंदी को जज कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि दोनों ने इतने अच्छे से हिंदी में जवाब दिया है कि मुझे भी सो सॉरी, रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन.
आप महादेव शिव शंकर के भक्त हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, और अलग अलग तरीकों से मैं उनसे लगाव रखता हूँ.
ठीक है, we'll move on.
अभिषेक, मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
Either left or on the left, right here. In the
केदारनाथ की बात करें तो आपने भले इसमें बाढ़ के बैकड्रॉप पे एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी लव स्टोरी वीव की है, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी जो केदारनाथ है वो अलग अलग कारणों से हमेशा कंट्रोवर्शियल रहा है. नॉट फॉर मूवीज, इन जनरल भी अगर हम देखें तो काफ़ी चीज़ें उनमें दूसरी चीज़ें भी हैं, सियासी चीज़ें हैं, और अभी भी हम ये देख रहे हैं कि इस पे कुछ सियासी दाव पेच खेले जा रहे हैं. उसे देख के आपको दुख नहीं लगता है कि एक अच्छी खूबसूरत फिल्म में ये सारी चीज़ें जुड़ जाती हैं?
नहीं, अभी तो आपने ट्रेलर देखा है, इसके पहले तो सिर्फ टीजर आया था। तो जब लोग एक टीजर देखते हैं, अपनी अपनी राय बनाते हैं, एक अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव बनता है। बट अभी धीरे धीरे फिल्म खुलेगी, लोग फिल्म देखेंगे, और जब वो फिल्म देखेंगे तो उनको पता चलेगा उसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जिससे उनको तकलीफ होगी।
जी
इसमें बहुत सारा प्यार है और बहुत सारी श्रद्धा है, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि लोग निराश होंगे इसको देख के।
केदारनाथ जाने वाली जो यात्रा है ये अक्सर बहुत कठिन होती है। कठिन होने के साथ साथ सरकार के लिए भी काफ़ी उनके लिए जद्दोजहद रहती है कि सही तरीके से हो, तो उस एस्पेक्ट को भी दिखाया गया है इस फिल्म में।
बिल्कुल, पूरी फिल्म एक यात्रा पे बसी हुई है, और बहुत कठिन रास्ता है। अभी तो खैर लोग, हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, अभी तो फिर भी थोड़ा आसान है, मगर ये तो कितने हज़ारों सालों से चल रहा है, और लोग जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे। इतने कठिन रास्ता है वो उस तीर्थ स्थान पे पहुँचने के लिए, मगर लोगों की श्रद्धा है, लोगों का प्यार है, और लोग पहुँचते हैं वहाँ पे। और जब आप वहाँ पर जाएंगे और जब आप वहाँ की एनर्जी, वहाँ की वाइब्रेशन को महसूस करेंगे, आपके दिल में भी घंटी बजेगी। और मेरे सारे मतलब 150-200 लोगों के दिल में घंटी बजी है। और मैं एक बात ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि हमने उस यात्रा पे भी शूट किया है, और वहाँ पे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जो हैं वो पिट्ठू बने हैं, और उन्होंने 60 किलो के इंसान को मतलब 15 दिन की शूटिंग में रोज़ उस पहाड़ पे ऊपर नीचे बोझ उठा के उनको मतलब उसने वो जो पिट्ठू होता है जो यात्रियों बुजुर्ग यात्रियों को लेके जाता है, जिनमें मतलब इतना चलने की काबिलियत नहीं होती, ये लेके गए उनको, और कहीं ना कहीं इन्होंने इतनी जान डाली है। देखिए कुछ मैं आपके सवाल से थोड़ा अलग से कुछ बोल रहा हूँ कि कुछ रोल होते हैं जहाँ पे एक्टिंग की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है, बट कुछ किरदार ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें आपको एक्टिंग भी करनी होती है और फिजिकली भी आप पे इतना बोझ होता है कि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इनह्यूमन, क्योंकि ये पिट्ठू तो है नहीं असली ज़िंदगी में, मगर ये घुसा है और उसमें। और जिस कंडीशंस में मैंने इसके साथ शूट किया है, ये बहुत काबिल तारीफ है।
My question is
Hi,
for
Sarah.
Pragya
Sarah.
ma'am. Pragya ma'am.
One sec. Where are we?
Here, this side.
Hello.
Ah,
So
cool.
this year has been fantastic for you, like first baby, and now you're part of this film. How do you see the year? How do you feel?
Oh, I've had an incredible year. I've got 2 babies that have been delivered this year, so I'm very happy and I feel very lucky to be a part of such a great team. And like how you say, Sushant makes it look so easy, but we have had a really tough time shooting up there. So it's been wonderful.
Sarah? Oh, yeah.
When I first saw a beginning of a rough cut when Abhishek called me, I think I walked into the room because of what I know of Abhishek and what I know of Sushant, and we've worked together. And I have to say, when I walked out, my first comment to Abhishek, and I don't think he particularly loved that, was, I think Sarah's done 5 films before this one, because that's the experience she showed on it. So I think between the montage of what I saw there and the story, and I'd read the script before, I think it all just fell into place. It was like, I think we spoke for literally less than 2 minutes to say, this is fantastic, this movie should go on, we should be making this movie, and let's keep going.
Sarah
Hi
here.
Abhishek, this is
Sarah,
Manisha here
trailer
from
looks
India
amazing.
Times.
One sec.
So I just wanted to add, you are doing another film also.
One sec.
Simha.
Even I'm confused as to where we are.
So,
If anyone's asking the question, can they just
Just
stand?
raise their hand,
so
please.
personally, I want to
Oh,
ask
right.
which you wanted to be your first, Simha or Kedarnath?
How can you ask me a question like that? They're both such different experiences and such different films. How can you ask me that? मैं क्या बोलूँ? दोनों ने मुझे चुना, उसके लिए मतलब मैं बहुत ही grateful हूँ. मैं कैसे कुछ बोल सकती हूँ?
Hi Abhishek, this is Manisha here from India Times. On your left. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Right.
Can you see me? Hi. The trailer is magnificent, especially the visuals. I'm in awe with it. So I just wanted to know, what were the challenges you faced while shooting in the real locations? Were there any? Because
I mean, we were shooting at a really far out place, and यात्रा है, केदारनाथ की यात्रा है, मतलब जाने को लोग 2 बार सोचते हैं, और मतलब सालों साल लोग मतलब प्लान करते हैं कि हम वहाँ जाएंगे और यात्रा करेंगे और दर्शन होंगे, और मैं वहाँ पे मतलब 150 लोगों को लेके गया हूँ. हार्डशिप्स आर इन एवरी फिल्म, बट ये भोलेनाथ की कृपा के बगैर हो ही नहीं सकता. वहाँ पे बड़े बड़े दिग्गजों के दर्शन नहीं होते जब वो नहीं चाहे. मेरी तो पूरी फिल्म बनी है उनके ऊपर. तो आई मीन आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू द लॉर्ड अबव.
also, you launched Sushant a few years back and now Sarah. So how was it working with the debutants, first timers?
Sushant had done a lot of television work before, and he's great. I mean, look at the guy. He's such a fabulous actor, and he's a very unique person. You know, he's very unique because he comes, he does his work, and he won't say much. You know, but when he gets into character and he delivers, it's a great experience to see a new actor come on because there are no expectations. मतलब उम्मीदें ऐसी होती हैं कि पता नहीं कुछ होगा नहीं होगा, how will it translate, because आप जब ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश एक्टरों को देखते हो तो आपको एक अंदाजा होता है कि हम कितने पानी में हैं, बट नए एक्टरों के साथ पता नहीं होता, एंड यू कुड गो कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग, एंड बट व्हेन दे डिलीवर then you just feel like, yeah, this is a new dimension, or it's like you're privileged to a secret island, or to a, you know, on a mountain top, that like a virgin mountain top, and it's so beautiful. तो आप यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी कैमरा लगाओ और आपको इतना क्या कमाल की चीज मिलेगी जो लोगों ने देखा ही नहीं है. तो नए कलाकारों के साथ काम करके ऐसा लगता है.
Sarah, facing the camera for the first time. Sarah, hi. Facing the camera for the first time.
Right.
Would you like to share your first day experience with us? And how was it working with Sushant? How much did he help you?
You know, I'm so glad you asked me that, because I don't know how I've done in this film. I've really, really tried my best, but I don't think I would have been able to do any of it without Sushant. He has just been the most helpful person to have had. There were days where, you know, I was a little lost. I was a little, you know, scared. Like you said, first time I'm facing the camera, but he was just always hands-on. And it was so amazing to, like, not just, you know, with Hindi. I like that you said you like my Hindi, लेकिन जो भी मैं बोलती हूँ कि टूटी टाटी हिंदी इन्होंने ही सिखाई है. इन्होंने पहले ही कहा था कि मेरे से हिंदी में ही बात करना. तो ऐसे करते करते मतलब थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी भी सीख ली, इंशाल्लाह थोड़ी बहुत एक्टिंग भी सीख ली. इन्होंने बहुत मदद की मेरी.
Hi, Abhishek.
One second, before you need to say thank you speech, Sushant. You know the number of people are thanking you on stage. You should say thank you to all of them.
Thank you.
तेरे आंसू निकल आएंगे appreciation के.
Honesty, and with that, gratitude is all I have.
Yeah. Lovely, yeah.
हाँ अभिषेक जी, हाँ आपसे मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि जैसा आपने कहा कि ये केदारनाथ में जो इतना बड़ा बवंडर आया था, इतने सारे लोग उससे प्रभावित हुए थे और जिसको लोगों को देखना चाहिए, तो आपने भी वहाँ जाके वो चीज़ें देखी है अभी भी, तो वो क्या आपके इस फिल्म के हिट होने से, या आप कुछ चाहेंगे उन लोगों के प्रति करना जो अभी भी उस दौर से गुजर रहे हैं या वो परेशान है अभी भी उसके बाद से अभी तक भी, कुछ आप करना चाहेंगे उनके लिए?
मैं एक फिल्म मेकर हूँ और मैं एक्चुअली कभी-कभी मैं लफ्ज़ों से बयान नहीं कर पाता कि मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ या क्या कर लोगों के समाज के लिए क्या करना चाहता हूँ. मगर ये 2-3 साल जो मैं संघर्ष करके जान डाल के फिल्म बनाता हूँ, मैं सिर्फ पैसे कमाने के लिए नहीं बनाता. मैं एक समाज के लिए कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ, कुछ अपनी तरफ से कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन देना चाहता हूँ. यू नो, ये फिल्म मैंने शिव के लिए बनाई है और मुझे लगता है कि अगर पूछा जाए कि ये फिल्म मैंने क्यों बनाई, क्योंकि मैं शिव का भक्त हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि अगर किसी इंसान में सेवा और लोगों के लिए बलिदान देने की भावना है, उसमें शिव रहता है. और ये बात अगर मैं इस देश के लोगों में और दुनिया भर में ये बात समझा सकूं मेरे शिव के बारे में, तो मैं अपने इस एफर्ट को सक्सेसफुल समझूंगा.
Hi Gattu, this is Sohail on your right. Yeah. Congratulations. The trailer looks excellent. मेरा सवाल था कि जब आपने ये सोचा था कि सारा को कास्ट करना है एक्चुअली, तो whom did you approach एक्चुअली, पहले सैफ अली खान या उनकी मॉम को, and what did you, आपने क्या कहा, convince them?
एक्चुअली इनके एक रिश्तेदार हैं संदीप खोसला, मैं उनको जानता हूँ, तो मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया और उन्होंने मेरी मीटिंग कराई इनके साथ, और एक बार वो मीटिंग हो गई तो फिर बात धड़ाधड़ चली और ये आ गई फिल्म में.
सारा, आपसे भी हम जानना चाहेंगे, when you were approached actually, सबसे first time जैसे आपको पता चला कि there's a story which has come for you actually, what was your reaction and whom did you actually, spoke regarding this thing, to your dad, your mom, what was it?
जैसे गट्टू सर ने आपको कहा, संदीप के घर पे हमारा नरेशन हुआ था. गट्टू सर थे वहाँ, कनिका जो हमारी लेखक हैं वो भी थी, उन्होंने नरेट किया था हमें, और मैं अपनी मॉम के साथ थी वहाँ. और ये सुनकर मतलब सबके रोंगटे खड़े हो गए थे और आंखों में पानी, और मतलब बहुत ही बहुत ही अजीब एक्सपीरियंस था, बहुत ही मुझे याद, मतलब आज भी याद है कि कैसा लगा वो नरेशन सुनने के बाद। तो तभी बस तय हो गया था मन में कि यही होगा।
एक फिल्म आई थी आपकी आंटी की सुहा अली जी की, एक्चुअली इट वाज ऑन द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ अ फ्लड एक्चुअली मुंबई। कभी उस तरह का कुछ ख्याल आया था एक्चुअली कि इस तरह की एक फिल्म, जस्ट अ स्मॉल प्लॉट एक्चुअली?
नहीं, उस समय जब उन्होंने कनिका जी ने ये नरेशन दी थी हमें, मेरे दिमाग में और कुछ नहीं था। बस जो दुनिया वो दर्शाना चाहती थी, बस उसके अलावा कुछ और नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था मुझे। बस जैसे उन्होंने लिखा था, जो उन्होंने लिखा था, बस वही था, कोई कंपैरिजन कुछ नहीं था।
But I want to ask you, who do you message immediately? Were you allowed to tell anyone on WhatsApp that you've got this film, or that you said yes, or were you not allowed? Apart from your mother.
No, mom was sitting with me and I told my father.
What about friends and all? Were you like just waiting to like tell everyone? When were you allowed to tell the world before the media or before all that you have got this film?
I don't really remember like that. It wasn't.
First look of Kedarnath jab released with you, then was.
No. People knew
before that.
Before that.
So you
before that.
no particular day.
Abhishek sir, I have a question for you, and same question goes for Ronnie sir also. Tell us something about your fruitful collaboration, sir, with Ronnie sir.
You know, when we talk about Shiv, and he works in mysterious ways, this man walks into my life, you know. And I just look back, this is actually my third film with him. And hopefully he won't leave my arm. And, you know, he'll be with me for the rest of my journey as a filmmaker. It's been incredible. You know, when I did Kai Po Che, he was there. And I remember showing him the film and walking out and him being very happy. And it's just fantastic. I couldn't ask for anything more. In fact, this movie was not being produced by him. And I was in a bit of trouble. And he just walked in, you know, at the last minute, and he picked me up like my knight in shining armor. So, yeah.
I'm sorry, what? Would you like to add something to that? Yeah, well, I think pretty much now when somebody is so glowing about their praise, how am I going to do it in return? Other than saying is, when you're working on a producer-director, I think long-term relationships play a big role, because just getting to share common vision, common creative ideals in itself is very difficult. Then there are a lot of crises, and to go through all of them and then come out of it actually makes the relationship long-term. So I think that's what we've really invested over a period of the years. I did read the script of Kedarnath, and then he moved on, and then we did it separate ways. So there was, I think there's karma in every movie, whichever way we do it, from the way it was cast, to the way it starts, to the way it ends. And I think, you know, the box office will show that. And I think maybe we were destined to do it again, because we parted ways and then we came back together for different reasons.
So could we also say that one of the reasons that you like each other is me, because I'm also a common factor?
Because you're the common factor? Okay.
We can assume that.
Abhishek.
But I mean, common factor for next movie mein bhi chalana padega for that.
Sir. Or Ronnie sir, I have a question for you. 2018 has been a fantastic year for producers. Has there been a change, sort of like, because the last year was very bad. I mean, a lot of films, at least box office-wise, we saw that. Was there a sort of, it happened in television, you know, about 8-9 years back. People took a call as to what kind of, you know, television they want to make. Was there a sort of consensus between a lot of people? I know a lot of people meet and they talk and what kind of cinema that should be. Because 2018 has been fantastic.
Yeah, I think it has been fantastic. And I don't think it's been planned that way. I think a lot of young talent, a lot of new talent, and a lot of experienced talent went out to tell stories they just wanted to tell. And I think that's what's shown.
But you all backed them. They were also there.
No, I think there's many people who are now. I think everyone's excited about the thing. And I think, firstly, we all think we are the designers. If the audience doesn't rise for the occasion, nothing happens. So I think 2018 is the year of the audience that's telling us they want to see another narrative.
अभिषेक आपकी दाहिनी ओर इधर प्रशांत ईटीवी से बहुत सारी बातें जब आप इस फिल्म के बारे में कह रहे हैं तो उसमें उत्तराखंड का जिक्र आ रहा है, आध्यात्म का जिक्र आ रहा है। उत्तराखंड के लोग, जाहिर सी बात है, इस फिल्म में हम चाहेंगे कि नज़र आ रहे हों या बहुत सारी चीज़ें हों, तो उत्तराखंड सरकार का किस तरह का रोल रहा इस पूरी फिल्म में? उनका किस तरह से आपको साथ मिला या मुश्किलें रहीं, और लोगों ने किस तरह से आपको वहाँ पर सहयोग दिया?
बहुत अच्छा रहा। वहाँ के नहीं, सब्सिडी नहीं मिली। नहीं, उन्होंने बहुत, वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट ने भी हमारा साथ दिया है, वहाँ के लोगों ने भी साथ दिया है। और सब कमाल का था, ऐसी कोई तकलीफ नहीं आई, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत रहा.
Okay, we'll wrap up. We'll take one last question.
Good afternoon. This is Vikram Thapa from in.com. Good afternoon. Congratulations on a very, very
Vikram, right in the
fabulous-
middle, at the end. At the end.
I'm right here. Congratulations to all you guys for a very
Sir,
fabulous
एक second.
trailer.
Thank you. We can
my,
see you.
My question is to you, Sushant. We follow you on social media, and you're a man of science. You always talk about science.
Yes.
This film here is about faith.
Absolutely.
And a man who follows science like that and does a film about faith, I mean, what do you have to say on that?
I would just like to add a nuance to it that not in every context they go diametrically opposite ways. There are different ways of investigation of the truth, one of which, and very precise, is science. And another thing that could come very handy is faith. So both can go along each other. And I'm so glad that, as far as I'm concerned, there are different ways that I like the truth, one of which is faith, and the other is science.
Thank you so much. My question is to Sarah. Sarah, I mean, I would like to sort of spice this conference a little more. I mean, it is your
Sir,
debut.
एक second.
It is your debut, 2018, and congratulations for that.
Thank
And of
you.
course, another debut that happened was Janvi Kapoor. That film did very, very well. But there's obviously going to be just one Best Debut of the Year award. So are you sort of, are we going to have like a face-off in the boxing ring, the two of you?
Not at all. I mean, like I've said previously, I mean, I think that all of us are here to just do our jobs, and we're really no one to decide anything, you know. She's done amazingly. I saw Dhadak. I thought she was fantastic. And I hope everybody's loved her work, and I hope that people, you know, like my work too, God willing. And then the rest is whatever happens.
And so I'm stretching my answer. There are years when two of them got the best debut, so that's possible.
Abhishek Russell, you're from
Okay,
movie
no,
Fight.
that gentleman over there, and we'll end it with that.
I just
हाँ?
wanted
One
to
sec.
know-
Sir, आप already दो सवाल कर चुके हैं ना?
I just
एक
wanted
second.
to know, Abhishek?
Yes, Abhishek, to you.
Right, straight ahead. So the film looks really grand, and perhaps one of the reasons is because it was shot at real locations. What were the challenges of shooting a film of this scale on real locations?
Well, you know, a movie like of this scale requires a lot of prep, you know, and to get there is very difficult. मतलब आप यहाँ से जाते हैं देहरादून जाओगे, देहरादून से आपको 8 घंटे रास्ते में एक ड्राइव है जो पहाड़ों से गुजरती जाती है, जहाँ पे you know पहाड़ बारिश के मौसम में तो पहाड़ टूट रहे भी होते हैं. So to get
Pragya, it is your baby's first birthday. Congratulations on that.
सारा, this is Hina. मुझे आपसे सवाल पूछना था कि आपकी
sorry,
फैमिली
third
में
birthday.
बहुत सारे
One sec.
एक्टर्स हैं.
I can't see you.
आपकी दादी, yeah, this
It's
is
your
Hina.
baby's third
right here.
birthday. Congratulations
दादी
on
है,
that.
पापा, मम्मी, करीना, सोहा. तो
One
जब
sec,
acting की
one
बात
sec.
आती है, तो आप किससे
I'm not wrapping up. 1
inspiration
minute.
लेती
You
हैं?
have some time. Slowly. One sec. We can't hear. Yeah. Go ahead.
Can I repeat again?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
पूछ रही है कि परिवार में मैं किसके पास
हाँ,
जाती हूँ
और
राय
जब
लेने?
एक्टिंग में आपको सजेशन चाहिए, तो आप किसके पास जाती हैं?
वैसे तो मैं मॉम के साथ रहती हूँ, तो कभी कभार उनसे 1-2 सवाल कर लेती हूँ, लेकिन जब ये हमारे को एक्टर हैं और ये हमारे निर्देशक है, तो फिर घर पे ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता. तो luckily it's been one of those, we do great work, God willing, on set. So it was pretty easy like that. Really?
I know this image is a spitting image,
Abhishek,
isn't it?
Abhishek, here, Abhishek.
एक सेकंड जवाब देंगे ना मदर का रिएक्शन.
Gee, I mean, I think that it's very difficult for mom to be unbiased, you know. I'm her daughter and I don't look very different from her. So I think that combination makes it a little bit difficult for her to truly be unbiased about what she sees. So, I mean, she wishes me the best and she hopes that you guys and then everybody else out there likes it, because honestly, she's going to like it, you know. She's going to like whatever I do. I'm her baby. But if you guys like it, y'all are the deciding factor, you know, and she knows that.
Such an honest answer.
Abhishek here behind, right में आपके. Abhishek.
One sec. We'll come to the left. Sir, आपने दोबारा माइक ले लिया सर 2 मिनट इधर. One sec.
Abhishek, Kanika Dillon is a writer, one of the writers on the movie. It is said that she hasn't got her due credit as a writer in this movie. Would you want to give any clarification on this?
No, I don't think I need to give any clarification. Her name is on the credits. She is the screenplay writer, story writer with me. I don't know where that has come from.
Okay, we'll come here on the left. One sec.
Sarah,
सारा
one
आपके
sec.
स्टेट में मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि न्यू कमर के लिए मुश्किल होता है कि 2018 एक साथ दो आपकी फिल्में.
One sec, यार, one sec. Just a minute. We'll come. One sec. Yeah.
Well, firstly, I'd just like to clarify. Till date, number one, nobody has approached us. Number two, I think our onus is to get the film censored. They're the single and sole body that represents this. And third, we're all very creative people. We're all Indians first. And I don't think there's anything in the movie. So if anyone has a point of view, like most other movies that get into controversy, it only starts before they see the movie. So I don't know how after 60 seconds of watching something, somebody's formed such an opinion. We haven't heard about it. Our job is to get to the censors. And as far as we're concerned, let somebody comment after they've seen the movie. We'd be happy to get feedback.
सारा आपके स्टेट में मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि एक न्यू कमर के लिए एक साल में मतलब पहला मौका मिलना ही कठिन होता है, लेकिन आपको एक ही महीने में आपकी 2 फिल्में आ रही हैं, तो ये कैसा आपका अनुभव है? और सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो लिगेसी आपकी आ रही है लगातार बॉलीवुड में हम देख रहे हैं, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, उससे आप कितना प्रेशर महसूस कर रही हैं कि कंपैरिजन्स होते रहेंगे?
जी, प्रेशर तो होता है, लेकिन फिर बहुत लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि आपके लिए आसान है, आपको 2 पिक्चरें मिल गई हैं, आपका किसी ने काम नहीं देखा है. तो मुझे लगता है कि हर चीज़ के मतलब 2 हिस्से होते हैं. तो एक कहने को तो हम कह सकते हैं कि प्रेशर है, लेकिन फिर बहुत सारे मतलब बेनिफिट भी मिलते हैं जिनसे मैं भाग नहीं सकती. मैं जानती हूँ कि अभिषेक सर या रोहित सर ने मुझसे काम करने के लिए मतलब मैं उनके पास जाकर काम मांग सकी, वो ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो प्रेशर तो होता है, लेकिन प्रेशर मुझे लगता है हर इंसान पर होता है. और मैं बस अपने आप को बहुत ही लकी मानती हूँ कि मेरे पास एक नहीं बल्कि 2 फिल्में हैं इस साल में, और मैं चाहती हूँ और कोशिश की है, और शायद आप लोग देख लो कि काम ठीक हो. नहीं जी, अभी तक मैंने कोई और पिक्चर साइन नहीं की है.
All right, we'll wrap with that. We already extended now. So एक आखिरी सवाल, the gentleman over here, and we'll finish with that. Go ahead.
Question for me?
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. I would not be able to comment on that because I am trying my best as an actor right now. Yes. No, that's not why we are not shooting right now. We are not shooting right now because the schedule that's left is supposed to happen in Paris at a certain number of days in December. So I'm shooting for a different film right now. So that's the reason. And the other point that you mentioned that I have been told that Fox, of course, it's a big and a reputed studio. They are doing their, investigation. There's another investigation agency that's doing the investigations. I'm so sure that whatever comes out of it is right, and we should stick by it.
All right, we'll stick to also my bits here. अच्छा ठीक है, बस इसमें एब्सोल्यूट ऐसे ना लास्ट सवाल 3 हो चुके हैं. ओके, एक पूछिए, गो अहेड, लास्ट. नहीं मैम, हो गया आपका ऑलरेडी.
सॉरी, मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं.
सॉरी, प्लीज आप पूछिए.
बताइए. परिवार की बेटी.
तो एक फैमिली मेंबर क्या सिखाती हैं बेसिकली? ये विचित्र सवाल है. ये एक करके नाम लो और ये सिखाया है ऐसा बस.
मुझे पता नहीं मैं कैसे इसका जवाब दूं. जी, क्या जानना चाहते?
क्या सिखाया?
मुझे लगता है कि करीना एक बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल लेडी हैं, और जिस कदर से वो अपना काम करती हैं मतलब बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. तो बस उनको देखकर मैं उनकी प्रोफेशनलिज्म इम्बाइब करना चाहूँगी.
You can answer in one word also if you want. Saif. अच्छा sorry. Saif.
What?
क्या सीखा?
History.
History.
Let's talk about history. Sorry, that's what we do. Judge us. Politics. मेरी मॉम ही बताती है मुझे कैसे बिहेव करना है, क्या पहनना है, कहाँ जाना है.
ठीक है, अभी रैप अप हो गया. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. ये हिस्ट्री सिविक ज्योग्राफी बाद में कर लेंगे.